So you just bought a new sewing machine and you don't know what to do. You don't even know how to thread it. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to thread the machine to prepare for sewing. So let's get started. All right, you've just pulled your machine out of the box. You're super happy and you put your thread on the thread spool and you don't know what to do. Well, let me help you. First, most machines, especially the at-home machines, are going to have a guide to follow. So for this specific machine, I'm following the dark, non-dotted line to thread the machine. So if yours has dotted, it's likely to show you how to do the bobbin, and if it has a dark line, that's likely how you're going to thread the machine. So for this Brother at-home sewing machine, I'm going to catch the tension discs in the back, the tension wire. I'm going to follow it straight down to 2, down 2. Three wants me to go down over. 5. There's a little teeny hook back here that we need to make sure it's grabbed because that brings the thread up and down. So we have that. And then you want to come down. There's a small little bit behind, well, in front of the needle that you're going to want to get. And then you just push the thread behind that plate. I'm going to give it a little trim, and literally all you do is bring your needle all the way up, and then for this machine you thread front to back. Some machines you thread left to right, right to left. You're going to want to make sure you read your manuals. It will tell you. But for this specific one, it is front to back. And you just want to pull it through. Make sure it doesn't knot. You want it to be a clean line from the plate to the needle head. No knots. Okay. In our last video, we did not pull the bobbin thread up because we did not have the machine threaded yet. So to do that now, you're just going to hold your tension on your main needle thread. Use your hand to walk it down, go forward, and it just caught the bobbin and is pulling it up. This I will show close up. Okay. That top needle thread, we just put it through. It grabbed the bobbin thread, which is this looping thread right here. See this one? It grabbed it. So now it has grabbed it. We're just going to pull it out. And we're good to go. We're ready to sew. Going to want to just push this back. Get into the habit of putting your needle thread. This is a Professor Perry pro tip. Okay, whenever you're sewing, you're going to want to make sure your threads are all the way pushed back. Don't let them come out to the side, to the front. Just make sure they're pushed to the back, and that will ensure that your next seams are going to be clean and ready to go. I know I made it look pretty simple because honestly, threading the machine should be simple. It's just a whoop-de-doop, thread the needle. If it's complicated, look at the directions a little closer. Okay, ask questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. Send me videos. I'll look them over. But the main thing you're looking out for is just following the threads on the actual machine where it tells you to go, grabbing the hooks, grabbing the tension discs, and you're pretty much going to ensure that your thread is threaded well, and the machine should be ready to go. What's next? What's next? The machine's threaded. You're so excited to sew. Well, in the next video, I'm going to show you what's called a simple seam, and the simple seam is literally the foundation for sewing. So let's get into it in the next video, the simple seam.